Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today we are going to draw and color a brand new number block. Number block 1900. Get your pencil ready? Let's begin! Now we're going to draw the main rectangular shape for number block 1900. Follow the shape step by step, nice and slow.
Make it bright just like the sun. Red, blue, yellow, green, this coloring time is fun. Number blocks appear alive. Every number we create, one by one they come alive. This magic feels so great.
Now we move up to the hundredth section. Here we draw two vertical lines. 1, 2, and now 6 horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This creates the big 100-block grid at the top section. Now we move down to the tiny grid area. We will draw the vertical lines first. There are 30 of them. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Yay! 30 vertical lines complete. Great job! Now we draw the horizontal lines. There are 70 of them. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, 360, 390, 420, 450, 480, 510, 540, 570, 600, 630, 660, 690, 720, 750, 780, 810, 840, 870, 900, 930, 960, 990, 1020, 1050, 1080, 1110, 1,140, 1,170, 1,200, 1,230, 1,260, 1,290, 1,320, 1,350, 1,380, 1,410, 1,440, 1,470, 1,500, 1,530, 1,560, 1,590, 1,620, 1,650, 1,680, 1,710, 1,740, 1,770, and 1,800. Wow! We reached 1,900. That's NINETEENHUNDRED. Each row adds 30 blocks, and all 70 rows make 1,900 blocks in total. Exactly. 30 times 60 equals 1,900. A giant wall of learning blocks counting up by 30s. Now let's draw the friendly number block face. Start with the eyes, making the full eye area. Now the smile and the inside mouth area with the tongue. Now add the right hand first. Then draw the left hand, and don't forget to draw the watch on the left wrist. Now draw the two short legs at the bottom. Add the eyebrows to give expression. Finally, on top, we write his number badge. 1,900. That shows he is made of 1,900 blocks. Tall, friendly, and ready to count. I'm 1,900. I'm made of lots and lots of blocks. Now it's time to color number block 1,900.
Count with me, 1 to 10, let the color start again. 11, 12,
First,
13,
pick the
14,
color
15,
black.
becomes a friend.
B-L-A-C-K. Fill the eyes in the inside mouth area. Next, color is dark blue. D-A-R-K-B-L-U-E. Use this color to color eye outlines, eyebrows, smile outline, both hands, both legs. Now pick pink, P-I-N-K. Use pink to color the tongue and the watch dial.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we color and we count alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we can start.
Next color is yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Use yellow for the watch belt.
Color the top, color the bottom, color the middle, in between. Every shade and every tone makes the best we've ever seen. Rainbow colors everywhere, mix and match and all combine.
Now pick light red, L-I-G-H-T-R-E-D. Use this color for the 1,000 block section at the bottom. 1,000 is spelled O-N-E-T-H-O-U-S-A-N-D.
We can draw them every day. We can color, we can count. Every number block we make gives imagination and amount. Number blocks learning, number blocks fun. Drawing and coloring everyone. Color and count, count and color. Learning numbers like no Let's draw the number blocks nice and neat on the page. Rectangle shapes, we begin step by step like a stage. Line goes up, line goes down, every block in the right space. Is boring, is fun and slow, we don't need to rush the pace. Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun. Red, blue, yellow, green, this color in time is fun. Number blocks appear alive, every number we create. One by one they come alive, this magic feels so great. Color, color, color inside, fill it soft and neat and bright. Use your crayons, use your markers, make your picture feel just right. Shine the picture, let it glow, this drawing time feels so alive. Number blocks are happy friends, learning helps our minds to thrive.
Now we will color the 900 block area using 3 shades of gray. Pick
Count with me,
dark
1 to
gray,
10, let the colors start again. 11, 12, 13, 14,
D-A-R-K-G-R-E-Y.
every block becomes a friend.
Color the
15,
first
16, 17,
300
18,
blocks.
19, 22, numbers grow and numbers show what we can learn and what we do. Shape it, shaded, color in. Number blocks are full of fun. Red next, blue next, yellow next. Color every single one, step by step and block by block. Count them slow, then count them fast. We are learning all the numbers. This knowledge always stays and lasts. Tick tock, drawing time never stops. Color softly, color lightly, make the picture never drop. Color the blocks one by one, fill it in and let it shine. Drawing every single square makes number blocks look so divine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we color and we count alive. 6, 7,
Now
8,
pick
9,
regular
10,
gray,
we can start it all again.
G-R-E-Y.
This is learning with our heart. This
Color
is
the
fun and
next
this is art.
300
Drawing
blocks.
every little part makes the magic truly start. Color the top, color the bottom, color the middle, in between. Every shade and every tone makes the best we've ever seen. Rainbow colors everywhere, mix and match and all combine. Drawing number blocks of love makes every picture look so fine. Now we finish nice and slow, step by step and line by line. Take a breath, enjoy the view. Number blocks look super fine. We can draw them every day. We can color, we can count. Every number block we make gives imagination an amount. Number blocks learning, number blocks fun, drawing and coloring everyone. Color and count, count and color, learning numbers like no other. Let's draw the number
Finally,
blocks
pick
nice and neat on
light
the
gray,
page. Rectangle shapes, we begin step by step like a
L-I-G-H-T-G-R-E-Y.
stage. Line goes
Color
up,
the
line
last
goes down,
300
every block in the right
blocks.
space. Drawing is fun and slow, we don't need to rush the pace. Color inside, stay inside, make it bright just like the sun. Red, blue, yellow, green, this coloring time is fun. Number blocks appear alive, every number we create. One by one they come alive, this magic feels so great. Color, color, color inside, fill it soft and neat and bright. Use your crayons, use your markers, make your picture feel just right. Shine the picture, let it glow, this drawing time feels so alive. Number blocks are happy friends, learning helps our minds to thrive. Color the color inside. Color the color inside. Count with me, 1 to 10. Let's go! Let's go!
Let's start a brand new picture. Take your pencil nice and light. Make a shape, make a block, make the lines all clean and right. Every number starts as shapes, little boxes side
And
by
we
side.
are
Draw
done.
number blocks
This is our
together is a
amazing
fun
number
and
block
happy ride.
1900.
Color gently,
1900.
paper bright and
Great
true.
drawing
Red
and coloring.
yellow, green and blue,
See
every
you in
shade
the
and
next
every hue.
number block adventure.
Inside the lines we color neat, smooth
Hello,
without a
I'm
rush.
number block
Drawing number blocks
1900.
with joy is a
That's
magic we can
1000
never crush.
plus
Now,
900.
Higher, count to
I'm
lower,
super
up and
tall,
back again.
super neat,
Every
and
number
full of
tells a
teeny
story.
little
1 to
blocks.
10 and 10 to
Let's
10.
count big numbers together.
while we learn, we can learn
Number block 1900 equals 1000 plus 900. 1900 equals 850 plus 850. 1900 equals 700 plus 600 plus 600. 1900 equals 30 times 60. Black, B-L-A-C-K. Dark blue, D-A-R-K-B-L-U-E. Pink, P-I-N-K. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Light red, L-I-G-H-T-R-E-D. Dark gray, D-A-R-K-G-R-E-Y. Regular gray, G-R-E-Y. Light gray, L-I-G-H-T-G-R-E-Y. Fantastic work, everyone! You drew, colored, counted, and learned with number block 1900. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more number block fun. See you next time!
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.